So over here under pixel mode right here, you can see that I got different brush tools right here. So if I were to take the paintbrush tool and then draw out with something, let's say for example, if I were to go around and draw out this color right here, and then if I were to go around and draw out this color, they don't actually react with one another, as you can see right here. But if you want it to react like an oil paint, that is like a regular paint, then what you can actually do is you can utilize something called the paint mixer brush. So once you go ahead and do that, you got this brush right here. You can change around the size of it right here. You can click and drag and you can see that it actually mixes out with the brush right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can choose different color, mix it out right here, and then you get a result right here, just like this. And right now, the RYB color is being selected, but you can go for the RGB format as well. Meaning if I were to go ahead and let's say for example, mix out green and then red, let's say for example, then you can see that this is what you have right here. So let's just go around over here and mix it out. And you can see that it actually works around in RGB mode right here. But if you were to go for CMYK right here, just like this, you can actually go around over here and you can see that you get much more of a darker color right here, as if you're mixing out the ink right here. So depending on what you're actually going around right here, you can see that you can go around over here, choose this particular color, mix it out, and as you mix, you can see that it takes that particular color as the sample right here, just like this right here. So those are the different mixing colors, and you can go for the native colors right here as well. You can go ahead and choose a particular color right here, just like this, choose another color right here, just like this, mix it out together, and then you have another color right here, just like this. So it works like an actual paintbrush of colors. You can go ahead and smudge them out all together as well. So you can see that this is the flow. You can go ahead and decrease this out right here, just like this, to change around the flow, and increase it out as you like as well. And if you were to go around more, you have the option to change around the brush size and everything as well. You can change around the strength as well, as you can see right here, and so forth. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the paint mixer brush inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.